Okay, so I just looked at the flashing light and I'm a little confused because at this point in my program and in my programming knowledge, I don't know when it's going to be half full. I haven't learned comparisons yet and I haven't learned the counters yet. So I'm going to fake the flashing light for this minute, and I'm going to do that by saying, okay, if we're available, and I'm just going to pick a switch, pick the one down here at the bottom. Oh, I'm going to put it with an address, or I have to pick the command and then put the input with the address, and we'll call this, for right now, this will be how we determine if we're almost full. All right, once we're almost full, I think we're supposed to flash the yellow light if I'm remembering correctly. So I'll bring in that output address. And I'm going to add here S:4/6. And that makes it flash. The 6, you can actually change the speed. By changing that number, you change the speed of how fast it flashes. So I'm going to download it and give this a try. And you can see it flashing, but we're not on yet, so it doesn't matter that it's flashing. All right, so we're going to turn our system on. Our light's still not flashing because we're not almost full. Once we hit almost full, now my light is flashing. Okay, so for week 4, I'm supposed to add, and I'm not going to worry about my flashing light for right now. I'm just going to leave it, but I'm going to add my counter instruction in here. And for this one, I need a count up. All right, so this is going to be if it's available. And then this is if the car comes in is O2, I2, I'm sorry. Then our counter will count up. All right, we're going to give this counter C:0. Is that how? Yeah, 5 goes. Okay, it's C5:0. And I'm going to set my preset to 25. That I can then tell when it's done. And this here, we'll name it car in. All right, and I'll do the countdown in a minute. All right, so give me a minute on the countdown counter. If I remember right, it depends on the opposite edge. And we'll give this counter the same number as the other one, C5:0. But what we want it to do here is count down if we toggle this switch. Oh no, I'm sorry, not that switch. This switch, I3. And this will be car out. All right, so I'm going to test that and see if it works. I think I got it right, but I'm going to stop it. And once I hit start, oh, I forgot to raise my almost full flag. So it was flashing. All right, so now when I pulse this switch, you can see my count went up. And when we pulse this switch, our count should go down. Good, that's working. All right, so now one of the other things we want to do is turn on the red light if it's equal to 25. All right, so we'll run over and put that in. Well, actually, you don't learn comparisons till week 5, so we're not going to add that yet. We'll stop here with this section.